Today, we will talk about how does TikTok make money. Let's have a look at the details. You've probably heard of the popular video sharing app TikTok. It is one of the fastest growing social media platforms, offering millions of users entertainment and short-form videos. Since the app is more focused on building an interactive experience for users, it's largely unclear to many how the platform makes money. Let's take a look at what exactly this mystery app is that millions among younger generations can't seem to get enough of. Now the question comes to our mind: how did TikTok start? It was first released in China under the name Douyin to focus on the Chinese market. A year after it made ByteDance, it changed its name to what we are now more familiar with, TikTok. ByteDance is a Chinese company, similar to Facebook, that develops several other popular social networking apps. It was established in 2012 by CEO Zhang Yiming, who is a former Microsoft engineer and entrepreneur. Over 500 million active users have been using the app. And because of its swift success, it became the top 4 mobile apps available to download for free globally in 2018. When talking about TikTok, you may be reminded of a similar app that was popular in the US market, Musical.ly. Musical.ly, launched in 2014, is an app that allows users to create videos while lip-syncing to music. ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, bought Musical.ly at the end of 2017 and run Musical.ly and TikTok simultaneously. In 2018, Musical.ly and TikTok merged into one social media platform. TikTok ranked the most downloaded Chinese app in the US with over 1 billion app downloads. Now the main question is how TikTok makes money. The first way is TikTok Ads. TikTok for Business, which was launched in June 2020, is an avenue for TikTok revenue. Like YouTube, TikTok offers paid advertisements for brands to promote their products and services. Brands can use TikTok for Business to enhance their marketing solutions through features such as in-feed videos, brand takeovers, hashtag challenges, and branded effects. Here's a look at these and other features. In-feed video ads. In-feed ads are short-form videos that appear in between users' feeds as they scroll through the For You page. These ads are typically the same as those that appear in Instagram stories. Brand takeover ads. If you've ever opened TikTok and received an ad immediately, that's a brand takeover ad. Brands can use this type of ad to deliver a message right away to their target audience. Top view ads. Unlike brand takeover ads that pop up right when a user opens the app, top view ads appear once the user is already using the app and may last for up to 60 seconds. Branded hashtag challenges. In a branded hashtag challenge, brands create their own hashtag challenge and pay TikTok so their tag shows up on people's discovery pages. TikTok users can participate in the challenge and then post with a specific hashtag. While it's fun, it also creates brand awareness. Branded effects. TikTok also offers users branded custom stickers, augmented reality filters, and lenses to add to their videos. Each branded effect can go live for up to 10 days, long enough for users to interact with a brand. The second way is TikTok coins. In TikTok, there are virtual coins available for TikTok and its users to earn. When you reach 1,000 followers, you can receive virtual gifts from your followers through hosting live videos. These virtual gifts and coins are the in-app currency of TikTok. However, they are purchased using real money, so followers give them to their idols or content creators with high-quality content. They give them as a token of appreciation or tip. The gifts received from followers convert into diamonds. Each diamond is valued at 50 cents. TikTok charges half the total amount you will earn with the commission fee. If a TikToker converts a diamond value of $100, the $50 goes to TikTok and $50 is credited to the TikToker's account. Aside from these, TikTok also started a beta testing on shoppable ads back in November 2019. In this model, creators may link their products or business websites on their posts while users purchase within the app. Still, this model of promoting ads has no further updates as it is being tested. Now, how much is TikTok's revenue? TikTok generated around $965 million by December 2020, and TikTok's earnings have risen proportionately with its increase in popularity. According to Sensor Tower data, TikTok was the top-grossing non-gaming app worldwide for February 2021, with more than $110 million in user spending, 1.9 times its revenue in February 2020. Roughly 79% of TikTok's revenue came from Douyin in China, while 8% came from the US and 3% was from Turkey. Now, we will talk about the TikTok's biggest investors. In 2018, SoftBank Group Corporation led a funding round to seal a $3 billion fund for TikTok with companies like KKR & Company and General Atlantic. The valuation of ByteDance during the funding round raised to $75 billion. Tiger Global Management is the most recent venture firm that invested stocks in TikTok back in March 2020. The stake building occurred in a secondary market round, but the company has not yet revealed the investment amount. After ByteDance placed their shares for sale on the aftermarket, Financial Times reported that the company now has an implied valuation of $90 billion and $100 billion.